Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Yusuk, and today I'm actually gonna teach a friend how to use SolidWorks. Hey, what's up, innovator? How's it going?
Hey, what's up, man? Thanks for inviting me here. So today this motherfucker is gonna teach me how to fucking build simple shit on SolidWorks, which I don't even know crap about.
So yeah,
But
I had the best idea, and I wanted to teach innovator how to make a part using SolidWorks. So can you talk a little bit more about your channel since you work with trucks, right?
yeah, basically my channel is more of a going out and fixing my junks that I have in the backyard. Basically, I have a Dakota, a Ford, a GMC, and my newest member is a 1973 Ford F100, which I did a transmission rebuild on it, and also the kickdown, which I still gotta fix that. And basically, we just got it all like I guess like a project. We just bought it for like $800 from someone,
Eight hundred
and
dollars?
they had
Wow.
it all, yeah, $800, and I was like, wow, I'm not gonna let this chance pass away. So I'm just like
Who
instantly in that
would?
spot. I
Yeah.
pardon?
I mean, who would? That's a that's a really good price for a truck like that.
Yeah, man.
Especially, I've seen the video, right? There's this video where you're fixing. Oh wait, do you even have a video with the F100? It's probably the Dakota, right? Never mind.
No, I do have a video of F100 removing the front end, but
Oh yeah, yeah. Now I
on my
remember. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
TikTok, I have
Yeah, it's
my
TikTok, not on YouTube. Because on YouTube you have like a video of a red car, a Hyundai,
yeah, that was like my first
Dakota.
YouTube video. That was basically a tutorial I was building, and I mean, to be honest, I enjoyed it because I mean, it helped people. I mean, I was receiving feedback and like, oh, this and that, and some like private emails. I don't know how they got my email, and they were just like emailing about like, hey, what about this sounds in my car? What can I do?
Oh,
And I was like,
so you have like a growing fan base.
well, I would love to, but yeah, but technically right now I'm just trying to get the F100 to get painted, but I'm trying to do that by myself and trying to record it with my iPhone, and then
Uh,
just record the process with it, and then just edit it and send it right back to YouTube. Since I'm trying to get back to it, since right now I haven't uploaded for like a couple of months already, which I'm slacking. But yeah, that's almost about it. I'm just like like I guess like a driveway mechanic just working on his junk trucks that he has in the backyard.
hey, that's still a good thing. I mean, you're learning, right? You're getting all these experiences
Yeah, yeah,
from
yeah.
different type
I
of
like.
trucks, cars. You're learning everything.
Yeah, that's one thing. Well, it's like a side. You can call it a hobby, but I really enjoy it. I really.
All right,
Well,
well,
basically, I mean, I form a bond with them, so I can't let them go.
so you're a mechanic and you're gonna paint your truck. What about now learn how to use SolidWorks so you can start making your own parts instead of buying them from AutoZone
And
or
that's how this
Riley,
motherfucker
Pet
got me to.
Boys?
That is how this motherfucker got me to join him right now to fucking learn how to use SolidWorks. He was like, "Hey man, you could try to build some cool shit for your F100 and stuff like that." And I was like, "Oh shit, hey, he might be right. So let me try to
so,
learn
so
on SolidWorks."
right now, I have my book open. This is a textbook that we've been using in our intro to designing class. Just pick any of them. Pick anything you want to build. They're simple. They're simple. It's nothing complicated. Everything we're gonna try to create a simple part, something easy that anyone can
Uh,
make.
all
For
right.
anyone out there watching this video, if you're a freshman in college and you're trying to learn how to design, uh, keep watching this video because today, innovator, he's gonna learn how to create a part using SolidWorks
May
just
I
from
remind
watching me.
y'all?
Just
May
from
I
watching
remind
me.
you all? This guy right here, you suck, as a bachelor's on mechanical engineer. So yeah, whoever is a freshman out there who's getting into college in the mechanical engineering field, just hit him up. He knows about it.
Well, I'm not a professional, but I try to do my best. So let's see. We got
And
part
also, may I
A.
remind you all again that I really have no knowledge at all on using SolidWorks, so I never even seen it. I mean, I heard of it, but I mean, I have never tried to any simple shit on here, so hopefully Yusa can teach me something. So I'll pick, let me pick.
Okay, let's start from the top, or let's just start from this page, because I feel like everything down here is going to be a little bit more complicated, and
I
we
really
don't want
don't
to
even understand what it is.
and we don't want to
What are these
waste
parts?
too much time because I know you have things to do, work and all that. So we're gonna try to keep it simple and short, just so other people can, learn how to build something. Simple things.
Let's build. Let me see. May you go down? Downer, downer, down right there. What is this? I or L?
This one?
Yeah.
You want to build this one?
Yes, sir. Is it complicated?
Well, it's not hard, but
Is
But
it
I mean-
complicated for a beginner that doesn't have any knowledge on SolidWorks?
I'm pretty sure it's something easy. They could probably make it. Anyone can make it.
It's tolerable. All right.
Let me try to zoom in just so we can have that one. I'm trying to put it in the center.
Are you still gonna be making any more USUC videos of those?
No,
those
yeah,
perverted videos.
I'm still gonna make those type of videos. Just for today, I'm someone else. I'm not your typical you suck. I have a multi-personality disorder. So today I'm gonna be someone else, someone that likes to help other people. I'm gonna teach you a skill, and a skill that's gonna be super valuable. Those other videos, I'm still gonna make other videos. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow. Sometime. Just I'm gonna try to keep making more content. But for today, I'm someone else. I'm gonna teach you how to make a part. Does that sound cool?
Yeah, I mean, just
Okay,
make
good
it
idea.
short and simple for me to understand,
All right.
and we're on the same page.
Okay, because we can make this one, right?
Well,
This
what's
one
the simplest one that you do you think
has,
that we could create, like in a short period of time?
let's say for a beginner, probably something like this. Something like this here. A or C or B or D.
Let's go with C.
C? Alright. It's gonna be a lot simpler because you don't see that many dimensions on the screen, so it's only a couple of them and you're able to understand each one of them. Alright. Alright, so it's already telling us that's the front view, right? So what we can start making, we can start making it from right here, making all of this. This is gonna be called the front plane, and it's probably gonna be the right plane, and then that's gonna be the top plane over here. So I guess we're gonna go to SolidWorks and we're gonna try to recreate this part right here, just the face, the side view. All right.
All right.
And so I'm gonna go to the front plane here. This is where you have that's where you click for the orientation of the plane. So you got the front plane, top plane, right plane. So we're just gonna work on the front plane. Right click and click on sketch.
Clicking on sketch.
So here, I mean, once you click on sketch, you're gonna get it's gonna go to this tab right here that says sketch on top. And you have a bunch of tools here that you can use to design whatever model you're trying to make. So here we're gonna go with a square, right? Because that's what we see, square. So this is how it looks like. We have, you can already tell this is gonna be a square or a rectangle right here, and then it's gonna stretch out over here at the bottom. So you could just randomly make the front face.
Front face.
Let's not put it in the center, my bad. So let's go click on,
So
huh?
we're gonna be working inside that little plane or what?
No, well, we're gonna make the side view, or I mean, they call it the front view. To me, it's the side view. So like that, right? Let's say that's gonna be side view, right? And remember I said it stretches out from one side at the bottom. So we're gonna try to stretch it out right here and just pull it up. All right.
Okay. That.
So yeah.
So that's adding, like, basically like excess, right?
So this part, we're basically gonna try to extrude all of this, and then we're gonna cut this part over here. This part over here. All right. You see that there's like it's like a C shape. There's a C shape right here, and then there's you drill a hole on this side over here. So right now we're gonna try to create the material, right? The model. We're gonna recreate a solid model of the whole thing, and then we're gonna cut the excess. All right. Are you still there?
Yeah.
Don't fall asleep on me.
Just give me a couple more minutes and then I'm gonna fall asleep.
All right. So we're gonna click on the trim entities right here on top.
Trim entities.
Same tab, sketch tab, and then we're gonna cut this over here. Okay.
So that basically joins them or what?
Yeah, it joins. So now it's like just one drawing. So now we can actually go over here and look at the dimensions. So it says here has a length of 100. It's metric, so we're gonna use meters. 100 meters. That's the first thing you have to always check. That's my fault. You always check the drawing, make sure you're on the right dimensions. So here it says meters. We're actually using the right ones. We're gonna go with millimeters. But if you go to IPS, that's inches, pounds, or seconds. But always make sure you're in the right dimensions. You don't want to fuck up. All right.
All right. Got it loud and clear.
All right. So we're gonna go to the bottom part, this bottom side. Hold up, right here. You click on both sides, right, so you can get the complete length, or you can join them together. You can actually just cancel that and join them. So here we said it was gonna be 100. All right, that's 100. Okay, you go to the picture again. It says here the thickness is around 12 actually. It's a 12. It's a solid number. It's 12. So we go over here, click on the side, and just make it 12. Remember the feature that I'm using right now, it's on the same tab again. It's on the sketch tab. Just go on top. It says smart dimensions, and just click on that and start clicking on the lines, the geometry lines. Oh, I'm telling you, SolidWorks is really easy once you know the basics.
I guess the only thing that being like makes me nervous is all the buttons that it has. But right now at the speed we're going, everything seems pretty simple.
It's already changed that side over there. So now we want to know, what are we gonna do now? The height, that's 44. We already got that part. We already got the length of it, which is 100. All right, so we already got the side. Okay, we already got the side here. All right. So here we can actually extrude the part to this point over here. So it's 50. That's 50 over here. All right. So we're gonna extrude this. So to extrude the drawing, right? You go to feature, right? Features. And then go to extruded boss / base. Click on that. Once you click on it, it's gonna take you to this small window over here.
Oh, look, it made it 3D.
Yeah, this is gonna extrude the part, making it into a 3D model. So it says there that the width is 50, right? So just change this to 50. Click enter. Boom.
Oh shit.
Click on the check mark, say okay. I love this. It's working. We now have a complete part, right? This is now a 3D model of a part, but it's not complete, right? We still have to.
We're already halfway in, right?
Basically, the only thing you have to do now is just
drill in the hole.
Drill the hole, and then cut this part over here, and that's it. You're done with the part.
Shit. All
right. So now we're gonna cut. I guess we're gonna try to drill this hole first. All right. It's gonna be the easiest part right now, because then we're gonna do a little bit of math just to figure this part over here. Figure the cutout. Okay, so look at the hole. It's 20 millimeters from this front face or side edge, and a diameter of 25. This right here, it says through, so it's gonna be through the model. So we go back to SolidWorks, and now what I want to do is look at it from this side. You can actually click on this little view orientation tab, and then just you can actually preview what you want to see. So I want to see the top view. Click on it. Boom. So this is the part we're working on right here. So now, instead of just clicking a plane from over here, we're gonna click on the surface plane, or a surface face, right? I mean face. We click on this face, right? And then we right click and click on sketch. Now that
you're gonna get like a sphere or what?
Yeah, we're gonna get a circle. So we're gonna get a circle. So to make it a lot easier, whenever you're trying to get the center of something, right? Wait, let's see if this works. You can always just click on the circle, right? Try to find the midpoint of the side edge, and then move yourself all the way over here. So that's actually the center right there. So what we can do now, let's say,
so basically it shows you where the center is already?
Yeah, when you're hovering on top of an edge, like right here, it tells you where the center is. You see that yellow dot?
Yeah.
So that's the center. So what we're gonna do now, it says here it's, what is it, 12? No, 20 millimeters from the center of the circle to the edge, right? So we're gonna click on the center of the circle, click on the edge, boom. What was it again? 20. Boom, got it. And if you want to make sure this circle is fully dimensioned, it says it's 50, right? So this side's 50. Alright, so that means that from the center of the circle to this edge over here, it's actually 25. You click OK. So now, let's see, it's lagging. Alright, so now let's try to get the diameter of the circle, which is 25 millimeters. Boom, you have now fully defined a circle.
What was the other 25 for? That's how
25 this side, that's just the side edge to the middle of the circle. To the center of the circle, that's 25 millimeters. The width of it was 50, right? And then from the front edge to the center of the circle, that's 20.
Oh, okay, got it.
Okay, so now we already did 25. Let's try to all right, so let's try to drill the hole. So now we could go to features again. So we're gonna go to extrude cut, and we're gonna, well, it's already clicked. You would click on the circle, and then you want to go through the whole thing. It's already through the whole thing. You can actually move this around if you want to change it, or just change the numbers over here. But that's it. Click OK again. Boom, you have a hole. Now we're gonna try to cut this part over here, right? So let's go back to the model. We already know the thickness is around 12, right?
Thickness 12. Alright.
We know this is 56 over here. Alright, we're gonna start on this side. Well, actually, we don't have to start on this side. Do we? No, we could just find the thickness and that's it. So we go back to SolidWorks. Boom, boom. So you're gonna sketch right here. Let's try to change the orientation of the model by going to the top. Yeah, let's get some lines, right? Same thing, right? You click on the surface, right click, sketch, and do whatever you want, right?
Alright.
So now we could just draw some random lines going up. I'm gonna start right there. Go to the side, stop, boom, go right here, boom, stop, and then just close it.
And then you're gonna do the smart dimension?
Yes, sir.
And
you
then
see?
we're gonna put
now
the
you're learning.
thickness. What?
Uh-huh.
Gonna make the thickness 12.
So from here to here, from this side to this side, it's 12. Click OK. From this side to this side, 12. Okay. From the top part to the top edge, it's 12. We'll click write down 12, enter, boom, we got 12. Click OK. So now we can actually go to features again and do the same thing. What do we do?
Extrude cut.
Yep.
You're gonna cut it. Yeah, extruded cut.
We're gonna cut this part.
So automatically, does it go all the way through or what?
You see, it didn't go all the way through.
Oh, okay.
Basically, just keeps the same dimensions that you used on this other one over here. So here we actually want to go through the whole thing, right? That's what it says here. Yeah. So you can
So
just
are you able to drag it?
Yeah, you can just grab it and go all the way down. You can just grab it and go all the way down, or you can just change it over here. Well, that's it. Once you're done with that, click enter.
Okay.
And that's your part. That's it. You're done.
Fuck.
See how simple that was?
Hell yeah, bro.
You should probably start designing engines for your Dakota.
Hell yeah, man. I'm gonna start. Well, I'm gonna tell you to build some headers for the F100 build.
That's gonna require some money, but hey, that's on you. I'm down.
I mean, some door panels for it would be nice.
Some door panels for the F100? Yeah, sure, man.
Sure.
Just send me some pictures, some dimensions, and I'll
Probably
design them.
Put it off.
And I could
MDF.
MDF. I could probably do that. I have a CNC machine. Let's make it happen.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's make it happen. I'll design them. I'll make it through on my CNC machine. I have a Chipoco, and from there, put them on the truck. You're done.
I guess let's see if it's that simple. Then y'all heard him here. Then
No,
everybody was a witness here, and y'all know Yusuf's gonna build me some door panels. Let's see if that's real.
It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen.
All right. So from there, you just send it to a manufacturer, like a 3D designer, or what? Like a
From here,
machinist?
once you're done with the model using SolidWorks, you can actually you can go to SolidWorks CAM. CAM stands for computer aided manufacturing, where you can actually design or create the manufacturing process for this part, or you can just get the model, save it as an STL, right? Go to save as and save it as .stls, and send it to a manufacturer or a 3D printer, and you're done.
XTL, then, right?
Yeah, STL.
Oh,
Or-
STL.
Yeah, STL, or it can be anything else.
Okay.
Just that back in school, we would use the STL file. It's a lot easier, and that's basically what I use whenever I'm making something through the Shapeoko, the CNC machine.
But doesn't Chipoco require like another program too? Like you could do it through Aspire as well.
Well, actually, Shapeoko, the only thing you would probably need for the Shapeoko is just downloading their free software. It's called Carbide. You download Carbide, and once you can actually use SolidWorks here to create. There's a code that you have to create. You generate a G code that tells the machine how you're gonna build this, how you're gonna construct it, create this model from a working piece, right? From a work piece, which is wood, right? Because the Chipoco works with wood. I've never tried it with aluminum, but you would use wood. There's this other program that most people use for the Chipoco or any woodworking CNC machine, and it's called Aspire, right?
Yeah, that's the one.
That's the one.
Yeah, that's the one I hear a lot about when I see like a CNC. Well, people in general that use
Yeah,
CNC.
if you have that,
use Aspire.
You can actually create models using that program, but it's a lot easier if you have a CAD program like this one, or a 3D modeling software like Blender or Fusion. Is it Fusion 360? Yeah, I think. Those type of programs, create a part, transfer them to Aspire, and then from Aspire you can start generating the code, which is telling it how big is your workpiece, what drills are going to be using for the I guess you could say to define or create that model from scratch. Let's say you're trying to create a 3D carving, you would have to use a ball nose end mill, I mean, Bono's mill, right?
Okay, now you're going too complicated on me. I really don't get it, but all
And
right.
I guess I'll show you this another time. We'll actually make another tutorial on how to use Aspire and how to use the Shapeoko. What does that sound?
Yeah, that sounds great. I could start building some interior parts for you.
So actually, we're gonna end this video right now because we're gonna go play some Overwatch, Maximius, with some friends, like, and
Oh, okay, okay.
yeah. So you're gonna play with us, right? You've played Overwatch.
Yeah, I played Overwatch.
Innovator's gonna be playing with us. We're gonna have another guy playing with us, Starker, and yeah, if this match turns out to be, if we start getting winning streaks, we're gonna upload them. If we're losing, we're not uploading anything.
No, we're uploading every single shit that we play. We gotta show everyone how the god you suck plays.
Hey, I'm the best tank. That's all I'm saying. Best tank.
Alright.
But yeah, that's gonna be it. This was your boy You Suck and
Your boy Innovator here.
and
And we're out, man. We're out. We're out, man. We gotta go play some video games right now to release this stress that I've been put on with this shit. Alright.
Alright guys, see ya.
お兄ちゃん、you're so kawaii.